Good morning, students, and Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well and your weekend was also fine. Today, we are going to start exercise 5C. 5C is basically the you can say word problems from our daily life in which we use some equations, linear equations, and then we have to find out their values. In exercise 5A and 5B, we work on the how to solve the equation, how to find the unknown value like x plus y equals to 7. When the value of x is given, you have to find out the value of other variable, that is y. It's very easy. But here you have to read the statement at least 2 to 3 times. Then you will understand that which value is the x and which value is the y and which value you have to find out. So let's start the first numerical, that is exercise 5C. First numerical, when loaded with bricks, a lorry has a mass of 11,600 kg. You can see here from the first line, when loaded with bricks, a lorry has a mass of 11,600 kg. Here its given information is that there is a lorry and it has bricks. When loaded with bricks, lorry has a mass of 11,600 kg. That the mass of the lorry is 11,600 kg when it's loaded with the bricks. If the mass of the brick is 3 times of the empty lorry, if he's saying that the mass is 3 times here means it's 3 times mean 3 multiply with some value of some variable, that of empty lorry. If we take empty lorry as a x, if we take empty lorry as a y, then the mass of the brick will be 3x or 3y. Find the mass of the brick. What we have to find? We have to find the mass of the brick. Here again, see the example, see this numerical. When it's loaded with the brick, lorry has a mass of 11,600. I will draw the diagram so it will be very clear for you. And what we have to find out, we have to see. When it's loaded with the brick, lorry has a mass of 11,600 kg. When it's loaded with the bricks, its mass is 11,600 kg. If the mass of the brick is 3 times that of the empty lorry, if brick's mass, because this is the added mass of lorry plus the bricks, 11,000 is the mass, 11,600 is the mass of the brick plus the mass of the lorry. Two things here. If the mass of the brick is 3 times that of empty lorry, he is saying that if the mass of the brick is triple or 3 times of the mass of the empty lorry, find the mass of the brick. We have to find of the mass of the bricks. So here you can see only the mass is given when lorry is loaded with the bricks. It's not clear that the mass of the brick is this much or the mass of the empty lorry is this much. We have to find out both the mass of the lorry and the mass of the brick individually. Only cumulative or the together value is given, that when lorry is having bricks and it has a weight 11,600 kg. But question is, if the mass of the brick is 3 times, he's supposing, it's supposition, it's not clear here, that if the mass of the brick is 3 times or the triplet of the empty lorry, if empty lorry is x, then the mass of bricks will be 3x. If empty lorry we take, suppose it as a, so it will be 3a. Find the mass of the bricks. What we have to find? We have to find out the mass of the bricks. So let's start the question so we can do it easily. From the question, we will write down the equation. We take this variable as a x. First of all, we have a lorry. Okay, it's a lorry, 5C. And it has bricks. And then its mass is 11,600 kg. But this is the mass when it has bricks in it. We have to find out the mass of the empty lorry. Now it hasn't. We have to find out this empty lorry plus bricks. We can say these are the bricks. We have to find out this mass. This is empty lorry and these are the bricks. What he has given us that in statement you can see if the mass of the brick is 3 times. So what is the mass of bricks? If we take empty lorry as a x, suppose we take it as a x, then what will be the mass of the bricks? If the mass of the brick is 3 times that of the empty lorry is this, then bricks will be 3x. 3 times mean here you have to multiply x with the 3. I think now some numerical is clear to you people, and we are going to for its solution. Here we have to suppose which we have to take the values by your own assumptions. Its value is not given here. That's why we are going to suppose. Suppose the mass of the empty lorry. Suppose mass of empty lorry equals to how much? Empty lorry is x. And what is the unit of this? Kg. X kg. Then next is here mass of the brick. Mass of the bricks. According to the given condition, you can say that mass of the brick is 3 times. 3 times of that means 3 times of x means 3 multiplied by x, which is 3x kg. Now the third thing which is given here, the total mass of the, which is given here, you can see. When loaded with brick, a lorry has a mass of this. Now, loaded mass of loaded lorry. What is the mass of loaded lorry? 11,600 kg. It's given here 11,600 kg. Now what we have to find according to the given condition, the question is, what will be your equation? Because mass of empty lorry x plus mass of the brick 3x equals to mass of total, which I draw here. You can see x plus 3x equals to 11,600 kg. Is it clear now? Now, you can see here when we have values x plus 3x, we is going to solve, it's going to add, and we get here 4x equals to 11,600. Now for value of x equals to 11,600 divided with 4, because here it's multiplying other side of equality, it will go and divide. So what we get here, they will cancel each other. It's easily divisible by it, and we get answer 29,000. You cancel the value. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is here, 4 2 is 8, and then it will be 36, it's 9, and then 100. It's clear. X is equals to, that is 29 kg. Now what is the x? It's a mass of the, I will write down here, mass of empty lorry. Lorry equals, that is comma, x equals to 2900 kg. Now what we have to find according to the question, we have to find out, see, find the mass of the bricks. What is the mass of the bricks? We have to find out here the mass of the bricks. of the bricks equals to 3x. As we find the value of x, what we are going to do, we just put the value of x into this, and it's 2900. And when they multiply with each other, we get 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into 9 is 27, 2 is carried, 3 into 2 is 6, 7, 8, 8700 kg. 8700 kg is the mass of a brick. So mass of brick equals to, that is 8700 kg. Is that clear to all of you? If you have any query regarding this numerical, you have inbox me. You have to practice this numerical twice, at least 2 times. Homework is practice question number 1 of exercise 5C thrice, at least thrice.